telling you, you stink.
You fucking stink. It's probably your breath.
It's not my breath. It's you. You must have put the whole fucking bottle on.
I didn't put no fucking bottle cologne on it. It's
Whatever.
beard oil, my beard oil. That's what it
Well,
smells like.
Oh
If
my
you had
God.
facial hair, you would know.
Yeah, well, that shit is strong.
Close, don't breathe. Breathe out your mouth.
On this episode of Hauling Hoopties with Rob, we head to Jersey to pick up a 2007 Dodge Nitro.
Turn left, then turn right.
Turn left, then turn right. How about I just go straight?
Take the next left, then turn left.
Hey, good morning, guys. Pick it up.
Pick it up. Just write it down off the jaw.
Awesome, thank you. Right here, right here. Hey, what's up, buddy? Picking up ACV?
Yes, so far.
2007 Dodge Nitro. All right, need this?
No, okay.
Okay. Where are they at? Right behind?
Back right a lot.
Awesome, thank you. There we go, Dodge Nitro. Don't sound bad. All right, locked and loaded. Let's head back to the Hoopty headquarters, take it for a ride, and see if it was such a good deal. These fucking people are stupid around here. See if we catch him screwing around. Hello, this is Rob. Hello?
Aló, diga. Es
Let me come in. Grab a tag. No calls? What the hell's going on? must have spent all their money.
And the dickhead didn't show up for the fucking garage that needed him to go around and get it yesterday, but not show up today.
Just put it on the side. Just put it on the side. He messaged me about something, but I said call you.
He did call me yesterday.
No,
he said
he messaged me again.
Oh, he said he needed it, and then I told him, I said okay. I said come around 11 o'clock. I went and I got it.
Get tag screws. We're gonna go drop the titles off at the same time.
I got it yesterday, and he didn't, because he said he needed it right away.
All right, well,
he said he had one in the shop and he was fixing and he needed it.
Well, if he doesn't come, he can go pay $400 for a new one. Those drive shafts are like $400. GTO drive shaft. I came off my GTO. I bought a brand new one. Cost me $1,300 for a new one, but it was a one piece. Holds 1,200 horsepower. We're taking the Jeeps. Come on, or Dodge, whatever that polished shit is. Nitro. Alright, we're back at Hoopty headquarters. Let's take this junker off and see how it runs. How much cologne you got on? Dude, you stink. Fuck you do? Put the whole bottle on?
Beard oil.
Smell. You stink. Smells like you put the whole bottle on.
I ain't gonna put the bottle on.
Smells like it. Smells like Chick's perfume. Here, put these in the truck. Just found them. Somebody dropped them. Probably got to buy a new set of straps with one damn strap. Dragged the whole way there. Huh? It's fine. Might need a coil pack. It's cheap. Pay $500 for it. Here, put that in there. Cool. Alright, let's take it for a ride. As long as it doesn't get hot, we'll drive it. I think it was a good deal. I'll tell you what, that Jeep, I'm going to drive it later. The Jeep's got a brake controller. It's got 4 brake tires. Oh, dude. I'm telling you, you stink.
You fucking stink. It's probably your breath.
It's not my breath. It's you. You must have put the whole fucking bottle on.
I didn't put no fucking bottle of cologne on it. It's
whatever.
Beard oil, my beard oil. That's
Well,
what it smells like.
Oh my
If you
God.
had facial hair, you would know.
Yeah, that shit is strong.
Don't breathe. Breathe out your mouth.
I can't help it. I'll go up in the fucking air, the stinky air. One day I'll have a beard.
Yeah.
Feels good so far.
It's not even missing that bit.
That's not that bad. I can't get this damn seat to go back. There it goes. $500.
Wow.
Probably needs air. It's winding a little bit. It sounds like it's winding a little bit. It's only got 160 on it. It probably needs a coil pack. I feel a little mess. Is your junk running good?
It runs. coils and the sparkles fired up. Check engine light. It just got a slight hesitation. It's doing the same thing your F150 did. When you beat the hell out of it, it runs fine. But when you drive it normal, it hesitates. And then it clear up, and then it'll be fine, and then it'll hesitate and clear up to it. I bought 4 brand new coil packs and 4 sparkless for it. Other than that, it runs good. It's slow as hell though.
You don't need it to be fast, GS. Yeah, you gotta deliver with it. That's all you gotta worry about, deliver. You're stupid. Don't make no sense. I would buy it. You want something that's gonna be good on gas, so you save as much gas.
Well, that should be good on gas. And it's got cold AC.
When I deliver pizza, all I care about was making money and saving the most gas so I can make as much money as I can. My Chevette got it probably got like 28 because it was 4-speed. What?
Chevettes are junk.
You're crazy. Let's feel sorry so far. Let's go a little bit further. Yeah, it's got a little wobble in the back. It feels it's probably the back tire.
Park this junk.
Alright, you want to take your junk? We'll just park it in this. Let me get up here. It ain't gonna blow up. It's fine. We'll take it around and.
Yeah, but the wheel.
What time is it?
The wheel might fall the fuck off.
The wheel ain't gonna fall off. Alright. And did you eat already?
I had some earlier, yeah.
Alright, well, guess what? Either way, it's still your turn to pay. Your buy.
I just bought the other day. Chinese food.
No.
It's your turn. I just want something to drink Thursday. I'm not trying to stay lightweight for the track.
You ain't doing. You lightweight my ass. Fucking clown. You bought a treadmill. You probably don't even use it. You know how many? Let me tell you. When I was your age, I bought treadmills. I bought weight stations. All that shit. You know what they wind up becoming? Clothes racks. And I bought brand new ones too. I'd spend $500-600 on a weight bench, only to hang my clothes on it.
I'm not fat, so I'm not working.
You are fat.
No, I'm not.
You are. And losing weight ain't gonna make you not faster.
My superchargers came in today.
Big deal. Second one.
You know.
Now you gotta hire somebody to put it on because you ain't built like that. Facts.
It'll be on probably in a month.
This was a good buy. We'll probably get 20. What year is this? 2008.
2 were in. Like that. A little mess.
I might buy a quill for this one because I think we get 25 for it.
If you fix it.
Yeah, this one I'll probably buy a quill. We'll get 25 for it.
Got clean title?
Yeah. It's got 160
We got
on it.
2,500 for the last one.
We'll get 25 for it. I'll put a quill on it. Check the glove box.
Ain't none of that.
Mom, I actually like this. Don't really have much power.
It's only got 3.7. This doesn't have the 4.0.
Oh, that's right.
It's got the small one, 3.7.
Yeah, the RT had the 4.0. That thing was fast.
Yeah.
That is what it is. 2,500 all day. I'll buy one quill pack. So scan the code, see which one it is. I'll order one when the title comes in. Otherwise, it's fine. The OG F150, I'm gonna give it an oil change probably Saturday. That truck is all that. I'm telling you, all that. It is all that. I towed like 50 cars already with it. Maybe even more, but at least 50 cars so far. Getting 12.2 miles per gallon. Just a hater.
Yeah, I'm such a hater.
You are a hater. You towed that other Ford F150 like nothing.
Yeah, I did nothing. The fucking whole front end was up in the air.
No, it didn't. No, it
Like
didn't.
nothing.
No, there was no. You looked at the pictures.
I looked at the pictures. It was squatting like crazy.
No,
in
it
the back.
wasn't. No, it wasn't.
And I bet you couldn't go over 60 miles an hour
You
without
crazy?
it shaking.
I was doing 75 miles an hour on the
Wait.
turnpike, New Jersey Turnpike. Yes, I was. I set the cruise control, let it eat.
Take that with a grain of salt.
I let the cruise control do what it does and let it eat, and
tell you what, that
75 miles an hour.
That Avalanche is heavy as shit. When I told that, you felt the weight back there.
What Avalanche is like a Suburban.
That shit was heavy.
Same chassis.
That shit was. I wasn't going over 60 with that because it was shaking the back of my truck.
Because your truck is a polished shit.
Shit, you can get both your F-150s put together, still won't move my truck.
The other one, the F-150, I mean, I didn't drive it yet, but it seems like it's alright. I mean, it was worth what I paid for it. The problem is, it's dirty inside. I can't drive this shit.
Just keep your fucking jokes. And when it blows up,
It ain't gonna blow up anytime soon. Trust me.
I don't jinx it.
That's my baby.
It might change the oil, it might blow up.
It ain't gonna blow up.
That truck probably just likes being neglected. Well, not neglected, but just fill her up and let her eat.
Nah, but I gotta change the filter, but I'll put some 2040 in there, 2050 in there with a new oil filter.
Thick.
That's what I use because it burns oil. 2050 with a new oil
Shit, my
filter.
Mustang burns oil too. I burned a quart already. I just changed the oil.
It's got 308,000 miles. I put
Them Coyotes.
I put 8,000 miles on it, I think.
Coyotes burn a lot of oil.
Because
Oil
you're trash.
crazy.
That's why. You make sure you put the right oil in that. Put Motorcraft.
Yeah, it is. That's a 5W20.
Whatever it calls for, use Motorcraft like I do with my
I
tow
did.
truck.
I ordered oil for it. I just picked up another quart because I checked. Good thing I checked it. I didn't even put 1,000 miles on the car yet, and it burned a quart.
It's something you better watch it. That thing's ready to blow up then.
Nah,
It should not use a 1 quart for 1,000 miles.
maybe I didn't fill it up all the way when I fill it.
That takes like 7 quarts of oil.
Yeah.
Walmart's got the Motorcraft oil. They had it. That's where I used to get it for my tow truck.
And I ordered it online. I mean, from American Muscle, whatever.
For what?
Or
Amazon
LMR.
has it.
LMR.
You don't make no sense.
Because I put whatchamacallit in it too. It's called Liquid Molly something.
That shit doesn't work.
It does work actually.
This feels good. This was a good buy. I'm gonna make bank on this one.
Pulls up. Been monitoring. I was talking to Alberto this morning. He's gonna let me know about the 56. He brought it up.
He brought it up.
Yeah.
He's gonna tell you 10,000.
I'll probably give him 7 or 8 for it. It's
Yeah.
clean. I see that person.
I'm about to talk to him. I'm about to start talking to Alberto.
Because he was telling me about his Corvette. He said he's gonna pull it out, tag it up, start driving it. Back in. Don't matter. Just go.
We're gonna come back anyway. Hello, this is Rob.
Hello, Bob. This is Jay. How are you doing?
Who's calling?
This is Jay from Finance Pro Payments.
Have a nice day.
Why are you even answering?
Because I want to tell him to have a nice day and go fuck yourself. Here. Keys. Alright guys, there you go. 2008 Dodge Nitro. Great deal. Should make a nice chunk of change in this one. Should be $24.99 as soon as the title comes in. We're packed. So I got cars in my house, cars here. I have no more room. I'm going to try not to buy any more cars, but I make no promises because if a good deal pops up, I can't help myself. Alright, check out my other videos. Like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. Whether I'm an asshole or not, doesn't matter, because I know. Alright, peace.